Hey class, this video is going to be about constructing a square with a compass and a straight edge. Okay, so when you start this construction, you need a line segment. Okay, so we have one. We have one of A and we have one of B. Okay, your first step through this is that I'm going to extend this line. All right, I really need this line to be bigger because I need to construct points that are going to be around it. So I'm going to put a line around this just so that we can differentiate. I'm going to make this a dashed line. Okay. Now what we need to do is we'll start with A. Okay, I need to get 2 points that are equidistant to the left and to the right of A. So with this, I'm going to draw some circle. It doesn't matter what the length of that is. Let's make it right over there. Okay. Now I'm going to put a point to the left of it and to the right of it. This circle itself isn't important, so I'm going to hide it. Okay. What I really care about is the lengths to the left of it and to the right. Okay, these are equidistant to A. All right, now essentially what we do is you do a perpendicular construction through A. All right, so what I need to do is I'm going to start off with the point to the right. I want to measure the distance from this point, and it could be over here, but for the software, it's kind of hard to do that, so I'm actually going to do it through this point. I'm going to do the same thing from this point over here. Okay, now with this, we get two intersections. We get an intersection above, an intersection below. All right, and again, these circles, these arcs aren't that important, so I'm just gonna hide it. What we care about is these two dots over here. So I'm gonna draw a line, not a line segment, but a line through both of these points. And yes, it does go through A. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing for B. All right, so I'm gonna draw a circle around it. It doesn't matter, it could be this big, it could be this big, doesn't matter. It'll still work out. That we'll get a perpendicular line through B. Okay, want to make a point to the left of it. All right, so we have 2 points to the left and to the right, and I'm going to hide this. All right, now we have to get through our perpendicular bisection through B. So I'm going to make a point from to the right all the way to the left, so like this, and vice versa. Copy it and go back to that point. Now with these, again, same exact thing. You're just getting two intersections. Okay, so I'm going to hide these points again, or sorry, these circles. And what we really want is that perpendicular line. Now, something that is important with a square is that all sides are congruent. All right, so we have a side of AB. I need to find a side over here and a side over here to find the other sides of this square that we supposedly have. What you're going to do is you're going to put your plan at A and your pencil at B, and you're going to try to make an arc that looks somewhere like this. Okay, so I'm going to draw a circle, and that circle will have some intersection with this line. Okay, so I make it from A to B, and yep, we do get an intersection. This is another vertex to our square. Okay, so I'm going to draw a line segment from this new formed point that we have down over here. And you know what? Let's make this a solid line. Okay, so I'll make it solid. Just I can kind of tell. All right, so from this, I'm gonna get rid of this line now. I don't need it. All right, so now we have another side. You're gonna do the same exact thing with now through B and all the way to A. So draw that circle. Now we have an intersection. It's gonna be on this line, intersecting with that circle. Okay, so I put that vertex right over here. I'm going to hide this line, this circle, and make that segment from this point that we had all the way to B. All right, so we have 3 sides. That's all you need because you can now connect these 2 vertices to each other to get the last side. So I connect it from here to here. And this does give us our square that we need. Okay, I'm going to hide this. So if I were to take any of this, it would still form to be a square. I think I can rotate it. Okay, rotate it like this. Let's see. So rotate it. Yep, even if I rotate it, it's still a square. If I go small or bigger. All right, so that's how you do the construct a square. If you need any more help, I would say go through the latter part of this video or just pause it, ask me, and that's it. All right, hope that helped. Good luck. Bye.